3, 2.
Check out this rocket, guys. That's right, it's the Athena Ready to Fly rocket. It will go up, that's right, you're not reading that wrong. At least it's rated to go up to 1,125 feet or 343 meters. If you look at the breakdown here, you've got 225 feet if we go with the weakest motor. You got 575 feet if you go with the B6-4s, which I plan to use those for the most part. And if I'm feeling a little crazy, I'm going to be going with the C6-5, which will take me up to that 1,125 feet. Alright, so this thing is 16.5 inches high, almost an inch diameter, and a weight at about 1.4 ounces. Now let's take a look and see what we have to work with inside the box with the Estes Athena. This all comes in one pack, no separate pieces like some of the others. Got a parachute, got the nose cone, and that's really it. I am going to put it together and report back what I find. So this is the Athena rocket. It has, I'm guessing this is a little bit older style design. I'm glad the fins are shaped like they are, because if you've got that little metal prong down there and you want to set it upright, if the fins don't poke down past that, it doesn't work. Another thing I want to point out, which is on the negative side, is the sticker was hanging off and I pushed it down, but definitely not put on correctly. Just a little bit of a bummer, but you know what? It's going to be okay because it looks cool as hell from here. So, got that. Now I'm going to put the parachute on. Here's what it looks like all put together. It's a beautiful rocket, actually. And there we got the parachute, and of course when it comes out it will fluff all up and then come gliding down. So if you stay tuned, you will get to see that. Its maiden launch is coming up next.
3, 2.
That went up high.
Successful launch on the first try. That new battery worked well with my launcher. Thank God.